What's up guys, welcome to a new video. I just wanted to show some photos of where this car actually came from. It's been sitting out for over 5 years and is finally back on the road. This is Brandon's 99 Mustang GT that he's been building. He's going to drift it and he's also going to put an LS in it later down the road. In this video we're going to be showing you the process of what it took to put the cage in it and it actually being on the road for the first time in a very long time. So without further ado, let's jump into it, and like, comment, share, subscribe, whatever you want to do, and I hope you like the video.
They tried to use me and it wouldn't work.
Oh, I got disconnected battery.
Alright, well I'm grounding installed, so I don't know.